Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to check out some gorgeous chic hairstyle ideas that you can wear in 2023. So we start off with someone who has mid-length hair. The stylist cut the hair into a lob haircut. Wow, absolutely gorgeous transformation. So she ended up going darker. And the stylist also added waves for some beautiful texture and movement. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles shown within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we see another beautiful lob haircut. This one is all blonde and also features some bangs in the front. Very chic and traditional lob. So then we move on to look number 3, and it looks like she is going to be doing something a little bit more edgy and daring. Wow, absolutely gorgeous asymmetrical pixie haircut. Beautiful transformation. So next up we have this beautiful bob. Love the hair color here. We have hints of hot pink and purple. Looks like the stylist is cutting the hair even shorter, just kind of trimming things up. And then here we have another lob haircut. Ooh, love the dimensional color that the stylist did here. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.